We are in a festive mood now. This is the time of the year when Bengal vibrates to the chanting of mantras, the sweet aromas of burning incense, and the beating of dhaks. Baliganj Cultural. They have got a very small place but nicely managed with a group of dedicated and enthusiastic people to come up with a wonderful pandal. Hindustan Park. Every year the organization cultivate new theme and prepare Puja Pandal which always become eye-catching for its stunning artistic craftsmanship. This year their theme is Navras. Shiv Mandir. Shiv Mandir Durga Puja has stamped its uniqueness through the beautiful idol with a different complexion and posture altogether. The pandal depicted usual artistic embellishments that they are famous for, but it is the idol which stood apart from the rest. Modiali. This year they have come up with the colorful pandals with glass painting and bangles. Lake Youth. This year the Lake Youth has come up with an unique idea, the underwater world. Chetla Ogroni. Chetla Ogroni's this year theme is Kolkata Choliteche Norite Norite, quietly aptly portraying Tego's line. Chetla has shown up our age-old Kolkata with all its monuments, buildings, cloth in different shades and with its nostalgic aura. Northern Park. This year Northern Park has replicated the Golden Temple. Chakraberia Sharbojanin Durgotsav. This year they have come up with a theme porot, means layers. They have come up with a pandal of three different layers: illusion, relative, and absolute. Vivekananda Athletic Club, Horidepur. Neither the budget nor the roads are big enough like their next door neighbors. This time they made the pandal mainly with threads and other wooden props. Golmat Sarbojanin Durgotsav. They have themed their pandal on Buddhism and peace. Avashar Sarbojanin Bhavanipur. This club has tried to project the goddess's image through a reflection of prism glasses. It's an excellent concept. Ekchollisherpolli Horidepur. This year the theme is Aguntuk. Salt Lake A Block. They have themed the pandal on the difficulties of old age and how the young generation should help them through their difficulties. The main mandap has been made in the shape of an old Rajbari. Tridhara Shammilani. This year theme is Drishtikon, which means perspective. Samaj Shebi Sangho. The core idea of the puja was decided to keep in mind the reflection of the true meaning of the name Samaj Shebi, the name that their ancestors have carried with pride for last 74 years. This time they bow their heads in the respect to the efforts put in by the people who only give but get very less in returns. This year's theme is labor inclusion. If we talk about Kolkata, and in Kolkata it's definitely Durga Puja. And when it comes about the Durga Puja of Kolkata, ultimately comes to Bagh Bajar, Sarbojanin Durga Utsav and exhibition. Dear friends, please watch all of our blogs and please do like, share and subscribe.